The old apartment held a weight of years, a comfortable familiarity woven into its very walls. For a decade, it had been the backdrop to life's unfolding drama for its art-loving resident and his growing family. More than just a dwelling, it was a repository of shared moments, a tangible link to the past. The heart of this cherished space lay just beyond the sliding glass doors, a sprawling garden exceeding 100 square meters, a verdant sanctuary where dreams had first taken root, nurtured by the patient growth of countless plants alongside the family itself. This outdoor haven held a particular significance, a living testament to their history. However, the gentle passage of time and the happy expansion of the family brought new needs. The existing layout, once perfectly adequate, now felt a little too snug. An extra room became a necessity, a practical requirement to accommodate the evolving rhythm of their lives. It was with this in mind that the owner entrusted the transformation of their beloved apartment to the skilled hands of JINGU Phoenix Space Planning Organization. Their brief was clear: to create an ideal home, a space that honored the past while seamlessly embracing the future. Inside, the designers embarked on a subtle yet impactful renovation. Respecting the apartment's original understated elegance, they layered in the client's eclectic collection of art and treasured objects. Walls were treated with a white arched and textured paint, then meticulously polished, creating a luminous canvas that played with the natural light filtering through the windows. This bright finish breathed new life into the living room, which had previously suffered from a lack of daylight, and enhanced the tactile richness of the interior surfaces. The dining area, situated to the left of the entrance, presented a unique challenge: its reliance on borrowed light from the kitchen. JINGU Phoenix responded with an inspired solution, extending the kitchen outwards, towards the embrace of the cherished garden. This extension was crowned with a striking ceiling of aluminum alloy frames and ultra-white translucent glass, complemented by pristine white kitchen cabinets and walls clad in shimmering white microcrystal tiles. The result was a flood of natural light washing into both the kitchen and the dining space, offering tantalizing glimpses of the vibrant greenery just beyond. The design team approached the challenge with sensitivity and ingenuity. Instead of a radical overhaul, they opted for a clever reconfiguration of the existing structure. An original bedroom and an adjacent bathroom were thoughtfully reimagined, their spatial boundaries subtly shifted to create two comfortable bedrooms and a single, well-appointed bathroom. Remarkably, the fundamental flow and layout of the residence remained largely untouched, preserving the familiar pathways and the inherent character of the home. In the heart of the home, the living room, the client envisioned more than just a space for passive entertainment. He desired an intimate setting for connection, for the simple joys of family gathering and conversation. The designers thoughtfully curated the furniture arrangement to foster this sense of togetherness. A long table took center stage, surrounded by an inviting American country-style fabric sofa, traditional rattan chairs, and a comfortable leather bench. This arrangement created a versatile space, perfect for sharing tea, engaging in lively discussions, losing oneself in a book, or simply enjoying quiet companionship. Adding a personal touch, a low, slender platform against one wall showcased an abstract painting from the client's collection, its bustling market scene injecting a vibrant energy into the tranquil space. Just outside the study, a wooden lacquered cabinet, a memento from India with its warm, varied hues, introduced an element of exotic charm and a feeling of welcoming inclusiveness. Each carefully chosen object within this transformed apartment held its own story, yet harmonized with the others, transcending rigid stylistic definitions to create something far more meaningful, an ideal home, a place where life truly returns and dreams are free to begin anew.